Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming your Wi-Fi dongle is compatible with your PC and OS. Check the product label for supported bands like 2, 4 GHz and 5 GHz. Look for driver download links or a CD that matches your OS version. Ensure you have an available USB port and consider a USB extension for better reception. Record the dongle model number for future driver updates and support requests. Keep any included quick start guides close at hand for reference. Insert the dongle into a free USB port and wait for your system to recognize it. If the system does not install drivers automatically, run the driver installer supplied by the manufacturer. Reboot the computer if the installer requests a restart to complete setup. Open your Wi-Fi settings and locate your wireless network SSID in the list. Select the network and enter the correct passphrase, then confirm to establish the connection. If you experience poor signal, move the dongle to a different USB port or use a short extension cable. Update drivers regularly to resolve connectivity bugs and improve performance. Position any external antenna vertically and away from metal objects for optimal reception. Confirm your network uses WPA2 or WPA3 encryption and re-enter the passphrase if authentication fails. If DHCP fails, check IP settings or run the built-in network troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.